Hey guys, this is Beena and welcome to my channel Beena's Beauty. And today again, this month we are in the December 2018, and I want to do a subscription box. So I do this every month, and so I am just going to do the same this month as well. Okay, and I know that I haven't worn a lot of makeup like my blush or like my eyelashes or anything, because I am back after my office and I'm like super tired. And as I received the subscription box, I just wanted to do this preview. Yeah, yesterday I got it, so yesterday I couldn't do that, so I just wanted to do it today. Okay, if not it's going to be late already. It's been late, so that's the reason why I had to do it. Okay, in a rush. All right, yes, as you would have guessed, it's the Glamego's subscription box. Okay, and so this is how the package comes. And so, yeah, this month this is the edition. Okay, and this is the Christmas, and so this is how the beautiful box has come. Okay, and one good thing about this subscription box this month is that you can choose the products whatever you want from this month. Okay, that is, they are not going to give you whatever they have. It's just that you're going to choose all the products, okay, which is like 5 products you get. And so this is how the packaging comes here, like this. Okay, and so you have a small this thing which says like refill your favorites up to 4,500 products for $3.99, and then refill with your favorite makeup, fragrance or mini makeup, daily skin regime, mask or scrub, sample to try. Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, and you can just see. Okay, and so yes, this is how the packaging, and it says like India's #1 beauty box. Okay, and so the first product what I'm going to show you is this is from Inveda. You can just see this. Okay, it's Inveda, and this is the detan scrub. Okay, I haven't tried this. I have heard about this brand Inveda, but I haven't tried the scrub or anything from this range, so I just wanted to try it. So I just purchased this one. I selected this product. And then from Watery Jelly Radiance Mask, Glitter and Glow. Okay, this is the next box, as you could see. Okay, so this is something which I wanted to get it. Okay, and next is this one. Okay, this is from the Bio Bloom body mist. It's in Water Lily 50 ml bottle, and you can just see it. I am like so obsessed with this product because in the last mail I just got the same, and I am in totally love with this fragrance, and so I just bought it this time also. Okay, for a backup, and I'm almost almost I've done with the other mist, so I just wanted to get this one again and refill myself. So I just got this, and it comes with a very cute little bottle. However, I would have been happy if this has come in a very bigger package, like say 100 ml or like 150 ml. I would have been more happy. Okay, and next is this one from Bella Wost Ultimate. Okay, and I'm in the I've got the shade 6 Wild Child. Okay, so you can just see it. Okay, so this is the shade which I've got. It's a pretty red, which is what I'm wearing right now. Okay, so it's a liquid lipstick like this, and then it's in the shade, this one, okay, and this is the shade which I'm wearing right now, okay. This has the liquidy consistency. Once it turns matte, it becomes like this. However, it gives a very powdery finish, which I'm really not liking it. However, okay, fine, for its range it's kind of okay. And the last product which I'm going to show you is the Crystal Collagen Eye Mask, Gold Eye Mask, okay. This is for, so this is the one which I have got. I haven't tried any kind of eye masks, so I just wanted to try it. So for a different try, I just purchased this one. So so this is about the subscription box for this month. So if you just see, you know, this month packaging with all the products, you know, they say that, you know, it comes for like say 4,500 rupees products, okay, but I don't think so. It would be of like say 4,500. When I just calculated approximately, it would just come only up to like say you know, 1,800 or 2,000 maximum. So I am really like not happy with the collection for this month. And also I would have expected some little extra bees. So as this is the festive season, so I wanted like some, you know, gifts and freebies with it. If that was there, it would have been like great. So that's the only you know, con I feel. However, you know, we've just got only say like 5 products, and so yeah, that's it about the product and everything. And if you really like it and if you want it, just do subscribe to the Glamego subscription box. And also what you can do is you can always subscribe for 6 months package, or like say 3 months package, or say 1 year package. And if you go for a 1 year package, yeah, definitely it's going to be like worth the money, okay. So yes, people who are seeing in the budget, so you can go for a 3 months pack like I do as always. So I feel that, you know, if you need any help or like any suggestions regarding the subscription box, do put it in the description box. And do subscribe to my channel without fail, and hit the bell icon to get all the updates from my channel as well, and I'll be happy. And also you know, there are a lot of you know, videos coming on. Do subscribe to my channel for that, okay. And so thank you guys, thanks for watching, okay, thank you.